First of all, very good morning everyone. This is Rajiv Goswami here in front of you, and today I am going to tell you very crucial topic today. But before the topic, we have to go through the definition of the topic. So basic definition of this topic is whenever any child does labor under the compulsion, under the financial crisis under 14 age, we call it child labor. Now question arises, should child do labor or not? If I ask someone else, child should do labor or not, most of the people will say child should do not labor. As I mentioned one thing, child has to work under the compulsion. When compulsion will be there, child has to do work. Now I am talking about compulsion. So are there not such cases? Your father is a boozy and he is good for nothing. Sometimes moms are able to handle the situation, but sometimes moms are not able to handle the situation. In that situation, a child has to enter the society as a labor. One more thing is also there. Suppose father is not boozy, spat is going on between mother and father. This is also a reason. And sometimes most of the child orphan and they have nothing to eat something, to do something. In that condition, child also has to do work. Who will come to help him, and at what time, till what time will they help him? He will have to enter society also as a laborer. And if I talk you, child should not do labor, then what should child do? The most of the people say child should do study only. So let's come to the study. Our education system has been changed as a business. Study requires money. If you have backup, then you can study. If child is earning enough money, and in that by that money he is running his or her family, and after that, and he should go to school. In that school there is no guarantee he will succeed or not. If I ask you, who would love to do business and who would love to do job, most of the people will say I love to do business. But business requires money. The same case is there in education system. In our education system, we can spend our money, but there is no guarantee. Most of the people are educated, but still they are not employed. They are not getting employment after completing his or her MBA also. If I talk about child labor is good or bad, if I ask you child labor good or bad, that most of the people say child labor is bad. What if a child does labor? First, one more thing is also there. You know very well, empty minds devil's workshop, means खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर होता है. And child also fond of to indulgent and nuisance things just like fight and all. If child will do work, he will far from the quarrels also. And you know very well, when child asks for money for his parents or her parents, before the spending money, he squanders money. And if child will do labor, he will get to know the value of money. And if I talk about time management, if child will do the labor work, he will get to know the value of time also, and he will respect all the time also. This is also fact. If I talk about first of all, try to understand, most of the child are not able to set their heart on study. It is also, and that's why these type of children also do this type of work. And we should not include this type of child in that child labor. And one more thing is also there. Sometimes children are reluctant to do study. In that condition, we should not spend our money to on that children, because we have sufficient money, and after that we are spending our money to on that on that children who are reluctant. And if I am going to tell you what's the advantage of that child labor. The child labor, first of all, child will be far from the quarrels, and child will get to know that value of money as a time also, and child will get knowledge, that knowledge for the society. You know very well, whenever any new person whenever any person open his or own shop, he will hire very employee, and he will try to rip him off. And that child already go through the child labor, and he will get to know what's going on in society, and he will get to knowledge about this business also. And he will he will be far from that those people who are trying to rip him off, sorry. And after doing labor work, he can build his own business, and he can run his business very easily as compared to another who are running their business new time, you can say first time. If I talk about advantages of the child labor, first of all, child is deprived of the study, and child deprived of the enjoyment which the child got in his childhood. And one more thing is also there, which I have seen with my naked eyes in my area. Most of the children are doing labor work, and they are indulgent and nuisance thing, but no one is there who could make them understand, because they are earning, and they have a right to spend their money anywhere. This is also advantage. According to me, these are some disadvantage from my side, and this is all about from my side.